If you or someone you know has had some credit troubles in the past or simply have limited established credit, credit history or lack thereof may be preventing an application for automobile financing to be approved. In many cases, lenders will approve an application if an individual with good credit will guarantee their loan. The person who backs up an auto loan for an individual is referred to as the cosigner, who pledges that if the individual taking out the auto loan fails to meet their repayment obligations, they will make them for them. Many people are fearful about taking on such a commitment as they likely have financial obligations of their own, and should they have to assume the payments for the individual they co-signed for, it'll place stress on their budget. They may also have a concern about the individual's employment stability, and unforeseen and uncontrollable circumstances can happen to anyone. People can also be off work on limited income due to an illness or injury. There is a solution, however: walkaway protection plans. Walkaway Canada has been protecting consumers for years against unforeseen and uncontrollable circumstances such as involuntary unemployment, physical disability, self-employed bankruptcy, temporary job layoffs, or family and medical leave of absence, just to name a few. The table identifies other crises that can catch anyone by surprise. Registering a walkaway protection plan protects the individual purchasing the vehicle, but also protects the cosigner as well, limiting their exposure of having to make payments for the individual they co-signed for. Walkaway will pay up to 8 vehicle payments for consumers should they experience a change in either their employment or health status. If after 8 payments of relief have been exhausted and the individual is experiencing difficulty in managing their account, they have an option of returning the vehicle to the selling dealer, where the vehicle will be appraised, and Walkaway Canada will pay up to $20,000 in any financial shortfalls, thus eliminating any other obligation to the vehicle owner and the cosigner. When the individual has returned to work, their credit would not have been affected, so they can return to the dealer to pick out a vehicle that suits their budget and needs at that time. In fact, lenders will see that the individual paid their vehicle loan off early, so a future cosigner may not even be required. This type of coverage is paid for in the vehicle loan, so there's no upfront financial obligation for a cosigner. Registering a walkaway protection plan is highly recommended and should provide anyone co-signing an automotive loan with confidence and security to do so. As well, just think of the huge favor that you'll be doing a family member or friend. They're sure to appreciate your kind gesture and will feel obligated not to let you down. The coverage can also be registered for the cosigner as well, providing double coverage for an individual. Another strategy to minimize a cosigner's exposure is to have the individual purchasing a vehicle trade their vehicle in for a newer vehicle and a new loan after a period of time that proves their credit worthiness to a lender. This quite often can be as soon as 12 vehicle payments. Yet another strategy is for the individual who purchased the vehicle to seek a new loan to pay out their financial balance through a regular bank branch loan. With a proven repayment history behind them, most banks will approve a new loan for the individual without having them to have to secure a cosigner. This strategy, combined with a walkaway protection plan, should provide reassurance to go ahead and help that family member or friend. For more information regarding walkaway protection plans, visit their website at www.walkawaycanada.com.